How you doing, guys? Today we will be testing the evac tone on the 24th floor. Evac tone on the fire alarm control panel. We will do this on the 24th floor for the reason that there is construction. So there are no tenants here at this time. Since this construction, there's no buttons to come down. So we will use the egress stairwell. Re-entry floor, but the door seems to be locked. No worries, in that case we will use the CA key for stairwells, master key. We are heading to the lobby to activate the evac tone from the fire alarm control panel. These are the set of master keys the Fire Life Safety Director has. So let's start with the fun part. 24th floor activation evac tone. Evac tone, you press the evac tone. Notice it says 30 trouble, 1 message, all 30. There's no light on the evac tone. Press it. The light is blinking red. Now you have to select the floor. Phone means warning. We're not doing that, we're doing speaker. So we'll search the 24th floor. Still all 30 trouble, 1 message. 24th floor, speaker. It's on, green. Evac tone, on red. Let's head to the 24th floor. The good thing is that we are offline. You have to be offline in order to do this. The evac tone should activate on the 24th floor. Since it's under construction, there will be no problem. As you can hear, the evac tone has been activated. Evac tone comes from here. Fire. There's no lights. That's an evac tone. If there was lights, it means there's an actual fire. God forbid. See? No lights. It's the sound. Lights means fire. That means the light is blinking. An actual fire. God forbid. That's not gonna happen. Now let's go one flight up the stairs to the 25th floor to head to the lobby. Because remember, we cannot come down. We have to use the CA key. Master key for stairwells. Notice how there's no sound, but you could hear it a little bit. Let's go turn off and disable the 24th floor evac tone. See? No noise on that fire system. We're heading to the lobby to disable the evac tone and the floor speaker. Let's go do this quick. Evac tone, press it. Now let's choose the floor that we pressed. On green to disable it. 24th floor speaker, disabled. Apparently the trouble 30, one message, and all 30 didn't add up. No problem, it's good. We got less paper. Mission is halfway completed. We're heading to the 24th floor. The evac tone from the fire alarm control panel should transmit a signal to this floor, the 24th floor, and stop the alarm sound on the 24th floor. If there is no sound, the mission was complete. As you can see, the sound was heard because it was activated, enabled. Now it should be disabled. See? Voila. 24th floor. No noise. No evac tone noise. Everything is back to normal. See? No noise. Evac tone is used for evacuation purposes. Thank you.